So my cats. Hold on. This is almost gone. That's kind of sad. Anyways, that's all supposed to have monsters. But my cats knocked it over the other day when they were playing and broke them. And these were all glued. These are the only ones that stayed. Also these. But every time I put it up, it gets knocked over. So I'm filming over here for the sole purpose that I'm in front of the monster wall, because every time I film in front of it, everybody questions it and it's the most hilarious thing. So why not, you know? Ambiance. Hi guys. That was weird. What's up guys, it's me. Obviously I haven't uploaded in a hot minute. Oh, I'm also wearing my merch. Yeah, you can't really tell. I'm very bored. It is Sunday. I do not have school tomorrow because it's Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. So there's no school. And I don't have my phone today, so I'm really bored. I was watching YouTube videos, but then I started watching Sydney Lavin. And for some reason, she always motivates me to film. Just because she films the most random crap. And that's me too. So it just like motivates me in a way. And I'm kind of weirded out that I'm not wearing my necklace right now. So obviously, I'm showing you guys how I do my makeup every day. Honestly, I don't even have a mirror with me. I'm gonna go get one. But every time I try to do my makeup not in front of a mirror, it ends up coming out really shitty. I also still haven't gotten new glasses. My mom ordered me some literally when these broke, because like literally look at my glasses. And they're also like, look at how big they are, but you know, I just close them on my face and call it a day. But you know, somebody kept them instead of bringing them to my house because USPS doesn't like me, and anything I order from them, they send to a different house. They ordered new ones, but they still haven't sent us a tracking number. So I'm stuck with these for a while. So on to the point of this video. This is how I do my makeup every single day for school. I wore eyeliner, I think like on Thursday or Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday, because I actually wore pants to school. I wore pants twice last week. That's a record for me. Yeah, so I don't do eyeliner every day like I did last year. Last year I wore eyeliner every single day. Now I just wear eyebrows and mascara. But I was like, why not show it? I'm bored. I'm not going anywhere, but I watched The Office all day today. I made French toast for everybody, so that was cool. Oh, and what I wash my face with, in case y'all are wondering, this actually, I didn't know it was gel when I bought it. Usually I have like the bead kind, but it's by Clean and Clear. It's the lemon one, but I got this one. It was the same price as the other one, but I wanted to try it anyways. It's just the lemon one. I use either one, to be completely honest. And then I have Curology, but that's like my own thing. But this is the kind I've used and I've always used. Anytime I switch, I break out. Right now I'm actually having a okay moment with my face. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. Me and my mom have been using this one for years, and we always have. I don't know what shade it's in. I did use this e.l.f. eyebrow fill-in thing, instant lift brow pencil, I don't know, and I use that to fill it in because this is, I don't like how dark it is, but I ran out of, that is in my throat. I don't like how dark it is, but I ran out of it, so now I'm just stuck with this. I just go really lightly with it. Yeah. I don't like math. That's the first thing that popped into my head. Don't know why, don't ask me. This is the mirror I use every time. Okay. Wow. You know when you don't look at yourself in the mirror for a while? That's what's happening right now. I'm gonna try to not bend down. Try to get in your guys' face. Okay. I want to dye my hair so bad. And honestly, I don't even know what color I want to do anymore. I wanted to do purple for a while. But now I'm leaning more towards dark roots and blue. Yeah. I still don't know if my mom's letting me do that. I don't know. She said my hair was long today, though. So I basically just fill in my eyebrows like that. This is genuinely what I do every single day because I got tired of eyeliner every day. I always was the person that thought I cannot leave the house without eyeliner on. Let's see what else happened. Last week I also, or this week, I don't know. I woke up late for school. I woke up at 6 on the dot. The sun was already out. I got ready in 10 minutes. Thank you very much. I also went home early that day. It was a whole thing. I'm also getting better from being sick. But anyways, It was a whole thing that happened that day. Literally, so I got up. I'm gonna tell you what happened that day. It was not a good day. So I got up late. And so I'm rushing to get ready because I had to be at, the only reason why, because school doesn't start till 7:01, but my bus gets there at 6:22. So it was 6, and I'm freaking out for a good 3 minutes because like there's no way that I woke up this late. Run into my mom's room, and I was like, I just woke up, and I can hear my dad in the garage working out, and he's about to come in because that's when he comes in so I could turn on the car and we leave and whatnot because he drives me to bus stop. And I was like, I just got up, and she's like, and so she's freaking out, and then she tells my dad like, hey, like she woke up late, so I don't know if she's gonna be ready. So I'm hurrying up. I've never put on eyebrows so quick, but I showered the night before, and I was gonna wear like my hair down like this, but normally when I have my hair natural, I straighten the front 2 pieces if they come out really frizzy and like look weird, and I didn't have time to do that, and it was the worst it has ever been. And I went to school like that. And so I put on this random outfit, long sleeve shirt, I don't really know, and black sweats and Air Forces. This is very essential to the story, the Air Forces. I get to school, go to first period, and the guy that's next to me says, did you just wake up? And I'm like, thank you for that. Thank you very much. That made me feel so much better. And that's how I started my day. Go to second period. And mind you, Wednesday is early day, okay? My friend Kaylee, I was texting her, and we have second period together. She goes home, okay? So that threw a wrench in that. Then, I'm already having a crap day, and third period, I basically wasn't there the whole time. Because I went to the bathroom, and then I saw Jocelyn, and then whatever. So I get back to third period, pick up my backpack because the bell rang. And I go to fourth period, I work out, really didn't want to do that. It was leg day, I was so upset. Normally leg day is my favorite day, but I was just dead. I did not want to be there. And then here's where it all begins, or gets worse. I walk out of the locker room, and I have Air Forces on. And the security stops me. I am unproblematic, I mind my business. You know the horses that wear those things like this so they don't see anything? That's me at school. I mind my business, and I don't need to talk to anybody else except the people I know. Okay? And she's like, did you just come out of PE? And I'm like, I came out of weights. And she's like, hop on. Like, you know the golf cart thingy that they drive around the school? And I'm like, okay. And so I get on the thing, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? She goes to say, don't worry about it. And she's like, hurry up. And so we're like rushing into the office, and she sits me down, and I'm like, okay. And they're staring at my shoes, just staring, not telling me why I'm there. And they're just staring at my shoes, and I'm like, I'm sitting there for like 10-15 minutes, and I get put into the discipline office. And in the discipline office, it is trashy up there. And so I'm sitting there, and it's been 30 minutes, and I still don't know why I'm there. And so the lady at the desk in the discipline office comes like closer to talk to another student, and I interrupt because I'm getting fed up. I should be in 5th period by now, and I'm missing my 5th period for what? I still don't know. And so I'm like, hi, why am I here? Like that. And she's like, he'll talk to you about it. I'm sorry, I have the right to know why I'm here. And then the people up there are asking me, why are you here? Because I'm not the type of person to be up there. And I still don't know why. And then I text my mom. I'm not supposed to be on my phone, but I don't know why I'm up there, so I'm going to be on my phone anyways. You're not going to tell me why I'm up here or why I'm in trouble? Then I'm going to be on my phone. And so I'm on my phone, and the lady didn't say anything. And I'm texting my mom, and I'm like, what the heck? And she's like, what the heck? And they still didn't tell me. So then finally some lady talked to me, and she's like, aren't those your shoes? Like, can we check your backpack to see if there's shoes in there? Okay, you're not gonna find anything, but whatever, do what you gotta do so I can leave. And so she talks to me about these shoes, and she takes my backpack, and I sit back down, and my mom shows up because like I told her I don't know why I'm up here, blah blah blah, and I was telling her the whole situation. And they thought I stole some girl's shoes in the locker room. I have no business stealing shoes. I have my own Air Forces. I don't need another pair from some girl. And I don't want to share shoes with someone I don't, like, I'm not going to take someone's shoes that I don't know. Nor do I have a reason to. And so I'm like, I don't know, okay. And so I have to write a statement out and blah, blah, blah. And So then they finally check my backpack, and it's with my mom there. And then they're like, okay, thank you. And we show them like the receipt and whatnot of my shoes. And I went home early because I was just so fed up. And so I went home, I ate a bowl of cereal, the best bowl of cereal of my life, and I watched Confession Killer, no, I Am a Killer thing. It's like basically these prisoners talk about why they're in prison. And I fell asleep, and yeah, that was my Wednesday. Wasn't a good Wednesday. I woke up late. Somebody told me I looked like crap. Kaylee went home early. Me and my friends did like, you could cut the tension with a knife. It was just a lot. So yeah, that was my Wednesday. My story time on how a school thought I stole Air Forces. And even if I did steal the Air Forces, I wouldn't be wearing them, okay? So the person whoever stole her Air Forces hid them in their backpack. They're not gonna check everybody in the locker room's backpack. I just happened to be wearing Air Forces and they took me, so that was upsetting. And if anybody from my school is watching this and decides to tell the office, because people like to do that, I did not tell one lie in that entire story, so don't even come at me right now, because that was all the truth, and that is literally what happened when I was in there, so don't know. Get your panties in a twist, thank you very much. But, yeah. I was up till 2 last night. Ugh, I stayed asleep till 10. That was cool. Whoa, I just got really dizzy. You ever have like earthquake moments? That's what I call them. Literally, it's like it feels like there's an earthquake. Like, I get those moments so much that I literally look at the chandelier in my house to see if it's shaking, because that's how real of an earthquake moment I had. I used to put concealer on my eyelids. Or not concealer, foundation on my eyelids, but I stopped doing that. I don't know why, I just stopped doing that. And so yeah, that used to be an extra step, and I would like put powder and whatnot on it, but I just stopped doing that. So I'm rewatching The Office. That's cool. Once again, this is like my 8th time. I don't even know. I'm currently on season 3. I haven't watched it. I mean, what are you doing? That's just me. Or some people just can't get into it. I know some people that are like, I can't get into it. Years ago, my grandma gave me this thing that you could like with your eyelashes, and so that one broke, and so I've made this a crucial step in my routine to like brush my eyelashes, because also this part of it gets off all of the old mascara that might still be there. This roller lash mascara, I don't know if I love it, but I don't hate it either. Ugh, cat hair. So like, I like it, but at the same time I don't really know how I feel about it, but it's, you know, it works. I look awake, so yeah. And like, I don't need to dip it a million times. I don't know. My favorite used to be telescopic, but I bought this one like for myself and then one for my mom for Christmas, because it was like a 2 for $25, which normally them by themselves are $25. So I was like, oh my god, what a steal. And so I bought my mom one and I bought myself one, and that's it. That's my makeup. That ended up being 20 minutes just because of what I talked about, but this is genuinely what I look like when I go to school. That's it. I'm not the girl to go all out anymore because I don't care. I wear sweats every single day basically. If I wear pants, or like people notice when I wear pants. So, yeah, this is also something I'd wear to school, like a long sleeve and sweats. I'm wearing Nikes. The fact that I look like this at school, like people look at me. Oh, and I normally have chapstick on, but oh, it's in my backpack. Pretty sure I had homework this weekend. Something. And then I wear chapstick every day. Who doesn't like chapstick? I love chapstick. I took a Monster to school, and I did not throw away the can. So I carry around an empty can in my backpack. I also need this thing, so. Water. This is not a what's in my backpack. And then I always carry around my cologne and this. Oh my god, okay. Anybody if you know a good smelling cologne that isn't too old manish, because I don't really like that old man smell. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This isn't meant to be offensive, but like that old man cologne type, I don't like that personally. So if you know any good colognes that are long lasting, let me know, because I have Cool Water and I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. This was like $30, but I mean it still smells good and I still wear it. But leave down below, hopefully y'all made it this far, leave down below any colognes that you like that doesn't smell like an old man. And yeah, that was this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever the heck I post again. Bye. Oh wait, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.